My name is Susan Combs, and today we're going to talk about health insurance for fishermen. When it comes to health insurance, regardless if you're a fisherman or you own the pizza shop down the street, the health insurance is basically the same. You're looking to have a plan in place so that when you go to the doctor, you either have a deductible that has to be satisfied or you pay a copay, and then you don't have a huge out-of-pocket expense. So you really have to decide and look at how you utilize the health insurance. So with your family in place, do you have an accident-prone kid that likes to climb trees? Are you going to the ER all the time for that child? Do they have to have allergy shots? Do you have, say a heart defect that you're always getting checked up on? So if you're a high utilizer, then you're probably going to want to pay a higher premium so that when you go to the doctor or hospital, you're paying less out of pocket. But then also the transverse, if you're somebody that never goes to the doctor or you haven't been to the hospital in 10 years, then you might look to have a plan that you're paying less out of pocket for premium. But then when, God forbid, something happens more catastrophic, you're willing to pay, $5,000 to have everything covered after that. So when it comes to fishermen, the only thing that's a little bit quirky is there's a merchant marine policy for when you're, like on the ocean. So when you're like on the ocean, then you can be in foreign waters and things like that. And so your home health insurance that's in the United States might not work. So, these are policies that can be like almost looked at like travel insurance, and they can be temporary policies that'll cover you anywhere in the world. So that if you need to have access to health care when you're on the ocean, then you have access to it and you don't have to worry about getting hit with a huge bill when you get home. So the main thing to do is to talk to somebody that's an expert in health insurance that can really help you look at the different plans out there and know what's going to be the best thing for you.